Hello and welcome to SE Custom Designs. Just want to alert you to a deal that's going on right now, and that is a BOGO for Craftsman tools. So wherever I bought my Craftsman tools from Lowe's, and it was a really great opportunity for me. Specifically, I've been waiting to purchase this battery, not necessarily the charger, although the battery. I already have a battery over here mounted into my battery station, and it's the same voltage. The only big difference though is that this is a fast charger, and what that means is that it's going to charge within an hour or less. So that was good news as far as an upgrade. But I needed two of these batteries because essentially with my leaf blower, which by the way is very powerful, it does the job for me, I only had one battery. And I finally got to the point where I could get the front done of the house. I have a city plot and the driveway, and then the backyard, which there's a lot more real estate back there. And not run out of battery power. So it took me a while to learn how to do that, to conserve the battery, not to use the turbo button, so on and so forth. Use it conservatively. And so now, well, I'm not going to have to worry about that. So another thing I use the blower for, and that's not what this video is about, but is to clean off fresh snow from the front of the house and the back of the steps going out to the backyard. So there you go. So I have, that I know of, I only have a few Craftsman tools. So now I have an extra one. It's not a tool, but it's the radio. So we're going to open up this guy here and talk about the radio. And we'll also touch a little bit more on this battery and this charger. All right, so... And I realize as I stand up, you're not seeing all of me, but it's more important to see the products that we want to talk about. I also have the Craftsman like shop vac. That's the older name for them, but it's the vacuum for the shop, and it's really nice. I really like that. Oh my goodness, I have another Craftsman product. I just looked under my bench there. I have their belt sander that looks like the, let me just get it real quick for you so you can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, these are the lower end tools, especially for the price that I bought. But there you go. I really like it. Oh, the dragster. It resembles the dragster. I bought a dragster many years ago. Kind of ran over my own cord when I was doing the porch this summer. Whoops. So, all right, let's talk a little bit more about the battery first. Now, the temperature in my shop is 57 degrees Fahrenheit. They recommend when you're charging your battery that you don't go below 40 degrees. And believe it or not, my shop, which is in my basement, goes below 40 degrees. It'll go down to 34 degrees. It's 2 degrees away from freezing. So when that happens, I try to run my heater, come down, turn the heater on, run it throughout the day periodically. There you go. So this is again a BOGO. This unit here is $99. This unit here, $99. So I've been watching all year long, not only for Craftsman batteries, but for DeWalt, because I have a line of DeWalt, way more DeWalt battery operated tools than Craftsman. They don't go down. The Independence Day came and various other holidays came. Nope, no reduction. Not even in tools, it seemed. Unless I missed them, which would be odd. So I jumped at this. You kidding me? Buy both of these here for $99 and then get this guy free. All right, so I think I touched mostly on, I even wrote 40 with a negative sign, a circle, and an X through it, right on my charging station. So it's a reminder, don't charge your batteries if it's below 40. Why? Because it could damage the battery. What's the point of doing that? Okay. I think, my friends, that's all I really need to say about this. So there you go. Again, this unit here is got the fast charger going on. All right, so that's that. Now let's talk about this. So my wife reminded me ever so lovingly that I have this thing for wireless speakers now and flashlights. I love flashlights. I have a lot of flashlights, and I'll continue buying more. So I have two units that I play music through. Wow, I just contradicted myself. Two. I've got two of these. Okay, I got this on sale, actually at Walmart, and I got this for, I want to say, a ridiculous low amount of money. If it was under 20 bucks, and it's got two speakers in it, and it's very, very powerful for a little system. I mean, we took it to a picnic this summer, and it lit up the whole area. I had to turn it down, believe it or not. So I've got two of these, but there's a compromise where you plug in the charger, okay, the DC in, and I have to pull the wire one way or the other. Ironically, the other one that I have has the same issue. So I'm like, what's going on there? That component really that weak? I tried another wire, same situation. So it's not the wire, it's this unit. Thank God so far, they're still working. So, and I have other ones that are around the shop. So I decided, you know, when I was flipping through the BOGO, I mean, they have roughly between 8 and 12 or 13 tools, buy one, get one free. And some of them are at $44, whatever, but this one was at $99. And I'm going through the tools, and like, I got that. That was, the opposite was the truth in the 90s when I first was starting out. SC Custom Design, so kind of a nice problem to have. Still want some more tools though, bigger tools. So let's talk about this guy real quick. I'm going to tell you this, that I got more out of this product than I thought I was getting. That's a good thing. Let's pull it out. Okay. Pull it out of here. And here it is. It seems rugged enough. I still wouldn't want to drop it. It's all plastic though. It's got little rubber boots here, but it's all hard plastic for what it's worth. It does come with the CRAFTSMAN attach something back here and hang it up on the wall type deal. So that's that. If we turn it around, my existing battery from 2018 fits in here. Bam. Or if I want to go wirelessly, I can plug it in. I didn't realize that was going to be an addition, so I can go ahead and plug this in and not have to have a battery. I thought that was cool. I wasn't expecting that. Another thing I wasn't expecting is to come over here, and we open up this very generous rubber flap here. It's got a USB charging port in the side. Check that out, man. That's pretty cool. And here's where you plug in the DC. And up here, you can plug in, they use the word iPod. So any exterior device like a CD player or whatever, you can go ahead and plug it into this unit, and you can get some bad boy sound coming out of here. So unfortunately, I can't really demo it for you because I'm using my phone. And if I turn this on, then it's going to interfere with this video, which is almost done, by the way. So you have your basic controls here, your power on, okay? You have you have track changing. So if it's connected to the phone and you're on some kind of playlist, you can go forward and backward in the playlist. That's pretty cool that it works with the software that way. You have a play and a pause button. So it will stop in this case, I use iHeartRadio. Who doesn't these days? And it will actually pause the music for me. And then I can play it again. This here is the Bluetooth button. So you press that, and it's going to begin to flash. Actually, if you turn it on, there's no battery. You turn it on, this will begin to flash. And if it's already been paired previously, which it has to that phone up there, it'll just connect. Or I can press this button here and say, I want to connect to another device. So it comes with this manual, which I slit when I was opening up the box, which is very unusual for me. I don't really go, I usually think about those types of things. So there you got your manual there. And I pretty much went over all the features of this unit. So right out of the box, you can literally just start running this unit, okay? It does come with a 3-year warranty, like you saw on the back of that box for that belt sander. Same with this battery and charger, 3-year warranty. So there you go. I'm really looking forward to using this outside next summer, in the springtime. And it's a no-brainer to have a kind of construction site player when you're in the wood shop, because there's a lot of dust down here, right? And so I imagine that they built this to be dust resistant anyways, being that it is, supposed to be taken or could be taken onto a job site. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, it's a BOGO. Do it now before it's too late. It is December, I think, 29th. Wow, I just jumped ahead of the end of the year. It is December 1st or 2nd or something like this. And so get out there and take advantage of that BOGO. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Barney in the UK, Phil's Woodshop or Barney's Woodshop. So I was wondering if you guys can take advantage of that in the UK, wherever you are around the world. So let me know, Barney. And I just want to give a shout out to Barney. He's a gentleman from the UK who does videos in his woodworking shop. He's building another one. Had it totally built out of brick, red brick. And so I really enjoy watching him. I enjoy his accent a lot. And he appreciates woodworking and does his own unique things. So thank you so much. All right. Take care. I'm going to say goodbye into my, with my 5 different languages. Shalom uvracha lechaverim shali b'aretz Israel. That was a little more than goodbye. Goodbye to my friends in Israel. Masalami, which is Arabic. First one was Hebrew, second one is Arabic, Masalami, and then Zaijian, that's goodbye, in Mandarin, mainland China, possibly Taiwanese, and then Tutsins, which is South African for goodbye or see you later. So I learned all these in the late 70s when I lived in the Middle East into the 80s, and met people from all over the world there. So, all right. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe if you like what you see. It's not very often I'm sitting down, not bouncing around the wood shop. But I just thought I would do that again for the 2nd time this year. We have 800 videos, by the way. Go ahead and look up a variety of subjects. Anytime you see a tool, whatever it is, I can grab any tool off my wood shop, off my shelf, such as this here, oscillating drum sander. It's a spindle sander, and this here is from Grizzly. If you see it in the shop, I did a review on it. Please look them up. I like to do fresh out of the box and honest reviews. And so there you go. take care. Let's stay safe out there. Happy holidays around the globe. And have a safe and wonderful rest of your day, week, and year. Take care. Bye-bye.